Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing the Lush Advent Calendar. I actually got this in store and I initially went in to purchase the full-size Advent Calendar. That one retails for $310, but then I saw this one and I was like, oh my God, I like this so much better. This is called the Christmas Buds Advent Calendar, and this one retails for $210. And I like this because this actually contains 25 just bath bombs and bath treats, whereas the full size was, more expensive, but also contained products that I wouldn't necessarily use as easily, as frequently as I know I will definitely go through the bath bombs that are in here. So I decided, I'll just get this one. Also, the full size one, they changed the packaging. So it wasn't like one big trunk. It was, the depth was more shallow because then they added a bottom drawer, and I would have preferred a larger box. So whatever, for all those reasons, I just decided to get this. I just think this one's a lot cuter and I know my kids will love this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. The one that was on display was ripped, and they actually had a brand new one in store in the back, like packaged up in the shipping box. So they just gave it to me. The box is so big I can't even get the whole thing in frame, but this is the little note card inside, or gift tag, so you can write to and from, and then it tells you everything that's in here. This is available online, and the full size is also available online, but I just was able to get it in store. So go ahead and open this. Okay, this is it all opened up, and look how cute the illustrations are on the side. You have the little presents, you have these little portraits here, gingerbread man. Look at the little elves, that is so cute. I know my kids will absolutely love this advent calendar and the bath bombs. Okay, so starting up here with door one. So door one has, ooh, looks like a lump of coal, and this smells so good. Even as soon as I open the box, it smells so good. And this one is called the Lump of Coal Bath Bomb. This humble little lump hiding at the bottom of your stocking holds untold hidden treasures. And this kind of smells like, I don't know if they still have it, and I forget what it's called, but there was a charcoal scrub that they had that smells really good. It's just like very clean clay charcoal, and that's just what this smells like. It just smells very clean and fresh. Day two, we have, this is called Groovy Fairy Bath Bomb. Hop in the bath and get your groove on with this sweet cotton candy scented bomb. It does smell like cotton candy. These are so cute. I just love their bath bombs. This is it in here, and I also just noticed they tell you the weight of everything because this was pretty heavy. The advent calendar was pretty heavy, so this is a little heavier than the lump of coal. Okay, I'm bringing the camera up here for day three because it's right at the top. For day three, we have in here, it looks like a little candy cane. Okay, so the candy cane is a reusable bubble bar. Hang it on the tree or swish it in the bath for mountains of sweet peppermint bubbles. So the bubble bars are a little different from bath bombs. These bubble bars don't dissolve super fast in the bath. They kind of just, you run it under the water and then it kind of dissipates a little bit. So you can, I think, reuse these a few times, but it smells very nice and minty. Okay, day four is down here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at this little fancy dressed up penguin. This is called the Penguin Bath Bomb. This is pretty heavy. This is 170 grams. These other two were about 95, 90 grams. The candy cane was 80 grams. This is a chunky guy. This cuddly little cutie wants to hop in your hot bath with its fresh fizziness and soothing citrusy scent. Very citrusy. I just want to take a bath right now. Love these guys. I just noticed this note in day three at the top. It has a little poem here. If you want to read that, you can go ahead and freeze that, but you get a little poem. Day five's up here. And so Lush tries not to overdo it with packaging, so that's why the bath bombs aren't individually wrapped. But this one is wrapped in plastic. Gold. If you were granted the gift of King Midas and everything you touch turned to gold, what would you make? I don't know what this is. It tells you on the back here who made it, when you should use it by, and how to use it. Lather up with a small piece, crumble under running water for a bubble bath, or mold to make fun shapes. Interesting. Feels kind of squishy, so I guess, yeah, you can mold it and play with it in the tub. Okay, we get a bunch of these fun. I will have my kids try it out tonight, I think. Day six is here. This is the bath bomb for day six. This is called the Snow Fairy Roll Bubble Bar. Take a dip with this sweet bubblegum scented treat and emerge a bubble fairy. That's what it looks like, a little swirl. This is 100 grams. And oh, it smells like bubblegum. This smells like bubble, is it bubble yum? Remember bubble yum? It smells exactly like that, like Bazooka Joe bubblegum. Day 7 is down here. We have this little cow. Toby's Magic Cow Bath Bomb. This beautiful bovine is packed to the brim with magical popping candy and rainbow colors. This is 120 grams. And you can see here that, so it's white on the outside, but then as it dissolves, these other colors come out into the tub, which is fun for kids, but often not great to clean the tub afterwards because sometimes it just gets messy, but very cute. Cute, fun time for the kids. Okay, day 8 is here. This is another bubble bar. I can feel the difference in the texture. So day 8 is a snowman bubble rune. Crumble this festive treat under running water for mountains of soft lemony bubbles. Okay, so you're supposed to crumble it. This feels like very heavy. It feels a lot more dense than the regular bath bombs. So I guess this takes a lot longer to dissolve, and then it makes bubbles. So his little nose I found inside the little door, but it's supposed to go here. Oh my God, it's so cute. Of course that's gonna break off. They should have wrapped this, I think. Day 9. This is, oops, I messed up. See, I always, they're so similar. So this one I thought was the Snow Fairy bubble bar. This is actually called the Comforter Bubble Bar. Envelop yourself in the comforting scent of cassis, absolute, and bergamot. Wait, what? They both smell like bubble gum. I don't know. Sorry. So this one is the Snow Fairy Roll Bubble Bar. This one definitely smells like bubble gum. I mean, I think this does too. They look similar. Anyway, these are both bubble bars. Day 10. Oh my gosh, this is glittery. Look at that, all that glitter coming off. So, oh my God, the sky. So for day 10, this is the Catch Me If You Can Bath Bomb, a sparkly, cheerful bath treat bursting with citrusy scents and softening cocoa butter. I can really feel how softening it is. You can smell the cocoa butter, very citrusy, orangey. I feel like they should have gone with gingerbread for this scent, but that's okay. Very cute. These glittery ones, man, these are cute. Very cute for the kids, but these can be nightmarish. Like you have to take a shower after this to wash all this stuff off. Day 11. So for day 11, we get Blue Fun. The most relaxing way to cleanse, bathe, and play before bed is with lavender and chamomile bubbles. Okay, so I guess these make bubbles, but it says you can mold it. So the description says this is a multi-purpose mix of lavender and chamomile for a calming bedtime bath. Day 12 is here. Day 12, we get a rainbow bubble bar. Build up a sunshiny bath of bubbles with refreshing Sicilian lemon and lemon myrtle oils. You get an explosion of color in your tub. It smells so good, very lemony. Day 13. Oh my gosh, so cute, a little snowball guy. So day 13 is a snowy bath bomb. Make like a snowman and melt away any frosty feelings with uplifting citrus notes. It's a little snowman face, kind of like Nightmare Before Christmas. It smells so good. Citrusy. Day 14. Another fun time. Day 14 is Sunset Fun. As the sun sets on another day, capture the last drops of sunlight with a burst of cheery citrus. Again, this is very squishy. So you can't really see, but you can see it's kind of moldable. I am so curious as to how you use this in a bath. Down here we have 15. Oh, this is so cute. You get a little Santa Claus bath bomb. So day 15, we get the Chocolate Santa bath bomb, a sweet blend of cocoa absolute, delectable mimosa, and a dash of skin-soothing aloe vera. Oh, okay. Chocolate on the inside, I guess. That's his little sack of presents he's holding. Very nice. Day 16. So day 16 is the Sleepy Bubble Bar, the best-selling lavender tonka fragrance you love, now in a psychedelic cloud of calming bubbles. This is one of those what you see versus what you get, or what they say it is versus what you get. This is it here. So it's supposed to be a psychedelic cloud of colors, and that's what they advertise and then what you get. But that's fine. It still smells very nice. Nice lavender scent. Okay, day 17. Bronze Fun. Bronze may not be number one, but this ylang ylang and clove fun is definitely a winner. I love that they tell you who packaged it, when they packaged, how long it's good until. Here are the ingredients, how to use it. Lather up with a small piece, crumble under running water for a bubble bath, or mold to make fun shapes. Okay, my kids will test one of these out tonight. 18, we get a little sleepy bear. Or is he sleepy or waving? I don't know. These are so stinking cute. Okay, 18 is Butter Bear Bath Bomb. Wrap yourself in a bear hug of comforting ylang ylang oil and softening organic cocoa butter. Smells like cocoa butter. 19. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so 19 is a little, what is this? Alligator, hippopotamus. Oh, snow dragon bath bomb. Fantastic fun ways with a magical blend of citrus oil, sea salt, and popping candy. I love these floating ones, or I mean, they all float, but when they're shaped like this, it looks like a little animal floating on the water with its little head and back peeping out of the water. These are so cute. 20. Okay, 20 is a glowworm fun. It glows in the dark. Use this lemongrass wonder to brighten a bath time and make your showers shine. Oh my gosh. It glows in the dark? I am so intrigued. Okay. Interesting. I mean, I don't know what these are. I've never used these, but I feel like I would have preferred a bath bomb. But, you know, it's for the kids. Maybe the kids like these kind of things. Day 21. We're coming into the final stretch. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. So day 21 is a snow angel bath melt. Softening fair trade cocoa butter dissolves into a shimmering blanket of marzipan scented snow. And I am assuming they wrap this individually because look how glittery. Whew, this is a glitter bomb. Snow angel bath melt, very glittery, packaged for our protection to explode into glitter in your bath. 22 is up here. Oops. Ooh, what is this? Okay, a little cone. Okay. Or is this like a unicorn? Yes, I knew it. Unicorn horn bubble bar. Relaxing lavender oil and neroli combine to create a magical bubble-filled experience. Okay, unicorn horn. By the way, everyone who asks about my nails, these are unicorn chrome nails, which I'm due to get my nails done again. But I usually get a dip powder, and then I get a unicorn chrome powder on top. So that's it, unicorn chrome. Unicorn horn bubble bar to match my unicorn chrome nails. Day 23. Oh, I love this. This is the little sleeping bear bath bomb. This is the Sleepy Bear Bath Bomb. Drift off to dreamland in relaxing lavender and sweet tonka waters. These kind of also explode in the bath, but again, this is one of those like little floating bath bombs that floats at the top of the tub, and the kids love these. Okay, day 24 is here. So day 24 is a reindeer bubble bar. Bring magic to bath time with fluffy cherry scented bubbles. This really does smell like cherry, like very fruity berry. It's flat on the back. And you can tell with these bubble bars, again, they're heavier, they're denser. They're kind of, what's the feeling, like stickier than the bath bombs. The bath bombs feel more like chalk, but these are, it feels like it leaves a residue on your fingers because these are meant to be reusable. They don't dissolve as quickly as a bath bomb. And then for the 25th and final day, down here, we get Santa, of course, because Santa comes on Christmas Day. So this is the Magical Santa Bath Bomb, the magic of Christmas with a full rainbow firework display from our jolly old Santa. Oh my gosh. So you can see the different colors that will dissolve in the tub. And I guess once this dissolves, you have just a colorful firework display in your bath. All right, guys, that is everything that was in the Lush Christmas Buds Advent Calendar. I am so glad I got this one versus the full-size Lush Advent Calendar. I saved $100, and I know that I will definitely 100% use every single thing that's in here. They are so cute. Look at the little poem you get. Look at the little snowman with his broken nose. He looks so sad, but I know my kids will definitely enjoy this one, and I'm glad I picked it up. I think this is a winner. But let me know what you guys think of the Lush Advent Calendars. What are your favorite Lush products? I hope you guys enjoyed this Advent Calendar unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.